Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add Instagram bio in different fonts. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your cell phone. Now tap on Profile. Now go to Edit Profile. Now edit your bio. Now go to your Google browser. This process is actually very simple. You just have to change the font of your text. Now search for Lingo Jam. Now Lingo Jam is a creative website which changed the font of the text. It creates it fancy by giving you many options. Just type in your bio or any text here, and it's gonna show you different font styles. Here you can see quite creative styles. Now you can pick any style that you want to. Just copy and paste it. Now go back to the Instagram. Now open your profile and tap on Edit Profile. This time in your bio, just paste the text that you copied from Lingo Jam. And it's done. It was easy, wasn't it? Don't forget to subscribe.